Hi everyone, this is Keith with Merch Database. Thanks for joining us as we continue along in our video series here. Today we're going to explore a little bit more information about our Manage Products tab here at Merch Database. Our Manage Products tab really is a breakdown of your product catalog on Merch by Amazon. And what we tried to do here is give you a overview at the top level of what's happening in your account, not only with what products you have listed, but what's selling out of those specific products. And then what we've done is put together this powerful product management tool, which allows Merch by Amazon users the ability to really organize, sort, and manage live listings, or any listings for that matter, to be able to get a better look and feel for what's happening in their account. It also provides a great platform to be able to make changes to specific listings, find different keywords within listings, but we'll get into all of that here as we dive deeper. At the top level, the first column here, as we follow along with my mouse, you can see that we offer a product summary here on our Manage Products tab. And this product summary area breaks down exactly what you have listed as a percentage of your total listings within your account. It shows you exactly how many of those products you have live. It also gives you a quick overview of, out of those products, how many of them are selling, which is a nice little quick view indication of within each product type, what percentage of the total amount of their products you have live of that product type, and also how many sales within your Merch by Amazon account you're seeing on those product types. Another neat thing here within this product summary is we have our marketplaces view, so you can actually click the marketplaces view tab or button at the top of the product summary window, and you'll see it breaks everything down into the totals for the different marketplaces that you're selling within. And this is great for people who are beginning to migrate listings and move and create new listings into the UK and German marketplaces. This will give you a quick snapshot of exactly what's happening across each different market that you have your shirts live in, so that you can get a better feel for just overall how your listings are performing there on a product by product basis. In the next column at the top level here, we have our quick stats, and what this does is really just break down for you what's out of all your live listings, what's selling for you, and what's maybe been removed or rejected, and also tells you what private links you have up. A lot of people use private links for different Merch by Amazon strategies, and so that's a good way to look and see exactly how many of those private links you have just at a quick view. In the far right column here, again, we just have an overview of your progress within your account. You can see how many listings you have live out of the maximum number available in your tier. We have your published tier level, and then we actually have also given you the ability to get into the Amazon system if you want to create a new listing within the Amazon interface, or actually open the Amazon manager to see your listings within their within the default manager itself. As we continue on to the bottom half of the Managed Products page here, you will see that this is really where more of the heavy lifting happens for your product catalog management within the Merch database tool. And what we've done is we've given users the ability to sort and organize listings from a variety of different variables. So just to get into that briefly, as we go across this kind of top row that is within this Managed Products interface, you can see that we've given you the ability to basically view products on a different basis from 10 to 500 products, just so that you can organize your products depending on what you're looking for, how many listings you want to look at any given time. As we get into the right column over here on this first row, you'll see this is where we really start filtering, and we give the ability to filter by type. So by product type, depending on what you're looking for, look at all your standard t-shirts, for example, or all the pop sockets you have that are listed. You can also filter any of your listings by marketplace, so US, Great Britain, or Germany. You can also filter everything by status, so you can look at, for example, all statuses, all live listings, everything that's been removed, everything that's been rejected, everything under a private link or private label, and it gives you a great tool to be able to look deeper into maybe some of the listings that you forgot about that maybe had been stuck under review or processing, or maybe some that you forgot had been removed and you want to take a look at. So just gives you a lot of flexibility within your product catalog. The other really robust section of our product management feature is the far right column here where my mouse is, and this gives you the ability to filter all of your listings in any capacity dependent on a keyword. And this is great for trying to find a specific keyword within a listing. It's not just, this isn't just searching your title, this is searching everything within the listing. So it's going to look in your brand, your title, your bullet points, your description, and kick you back all of your listing products that then apply to that specific keyword. So it's just really great for being able to more effectively manage different listings within your account. We'll get into it a later video too. It's also a great way to be able to do basically a find and then go and manage those listings to remove or replace any specific wording. If, for example, you have something in a lot of your listings that you need to change. So that makes that a lot easier. I know a lot of people within the Merch by Amazon community have been looking for a tool that will allow you to do some sort of that find and replace functionality within the terms of Merch by Amazon. So that's a pretty cool tool there. Within the actual listings themselves, this second area down here is where you'll actually be able to analyze those listings. You'll be able to look at a thumbnail of the design itself. You'll get your ASIN number. You will see the niche that particular listing is within, and these niches are cool. We'll get into this in another video at a later date, but you can actually define your own niches within the Merch Database tool so that you can kind of manually group different listings that are similar in kind. You'll be able to see the title of the product itself, what type of product it is, the status of that product, as we follow along with my mouse, the date that product was published, updated, how many days left if it hasn't sold, the price of the product, when it was last sold, how many it's sold, and then we actually get into the ability to look at some deeper analytics on this particular listing within the Merch Database tool. And this is where you can, with this green zoom button, you can actually view the listing on the live Amazon Marketplace. With the purple button, you can edit that listing within the Merch by Amazon interface itself. And with this blue button at the end, you can actually analyze that particular listing within our reporting functionality, where you'll be able to see deeper analytics in terms of what is selling within that shirt, information about that shirt that would be critical to any Merch by Amazon user. So pretty cool stuff. It'll also show you all of your brand for that particular listing, your title, your bullet points, and your description for any of those listings. So it allows you to get a real nice snapshot of any particular listing. There's a lot more that this managed products type section will do, and you can filter things by many different variables. We'll try to get into those at a later date, as well as showing some of the more finding a specific keyword. But since this video is was getting a little on the long side, we're going to go ahead and leave those to a later date. But we appreciate you following along with us on this merch database video series here, and we hope it helps you with your Merch by Amazon progress. As usual, you can find us at merchdatabase.com or on Facebook at Merch Database. And as always, feel free to send us an email or contact us on Facebook with any of your questions. We'd be more than happy to help. Thanks again for following with this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.